What are you doing? You have to be gentle, honey. Hey guys, today we are heading to the library because there's really nothing to do and it is raining. We also found 2 Christmas cards that have $10 each in them for the kids, so maybe we can go to the shops and they can spend some money. Oh my goodness. What are you doing? Where are you going, mister?
Mom, I have to stop him.
He knows. Wow. What are you doing? You have to be gentle, honey. I can see that. Oh my goodness, you crazy kids. Careful. What's going on, Levi? Ken.
I made it.
You did make it.
Hi, Dad.
What?
Mom, what is a called again?
It's called Ickle Pickle.
It's
Eva.
Ickle Pickle.
Come here.
Lost his blanket.
Yeah.
That's right.
Is it Heidi flower bushes? What was these?
They are pom-pom flowers.
Pom-poms. Is it a pom-pom flowers? No, it's what these again?
They're the Ponky Point.
Punky. Is it behind a bushes?
Is it?
The boing boing boing. It's a bouncy ball.
Make sure you flip it back up.
Flip. Ball.
Yuck.
No, it's my booger.
Yuck. You don't eat your boogers.
Is it behind these?
Oh, I don't know. Is it?
What? No.
Oh. What's next?
Oh, I'm gonna see. Is it behind these rocks? Oh, yes.
It is.
Yes.
They're so lucky.
Is it? Don't. It's a ball. Don't. It's a ball. Don't. A ball.
Oh my goodness.
That was a big puddle. So much for summer.
Look, my feet are all wet.
Huh?
No, mine.
Raining.
Your feet are wet.
No.
Mine are.
It's a wet summer. That's all I know. Hey Levy. Is it a wet summer, mister?
We're gonna have our gum boots on. That's what we should do when we get home. What do you reckon?
Yes.
Get our gum boots on.
Oh, but Daddy said too.
Right, go.
Hi guys.
Flamingo.
So with your $10, what did you get?
Donkey and a puppy. And his chain moves.
Does this chain move?
Yeah.
What do you show? Wow. You're so lucky.
Huh?
You're so lucky.
I'm so lucky.
We also got Levi these 2 sets
Of Matchbox cars. He started his little collection. Every boy has a little collection of cars.
and then we got 2 containers, one for his cars and then one's for just something else if I need it. And of course, I needed Levi's new socks.
Levi. Levi, look.
Okay.
Levy Lou.
Do you want me to open them?
Okay. Mom, this blue has to go off to this one.
That's right.
And this one goes to this one. And then we did go up here.
Why don't you put it on top of it? Or next to it?
Up top. Oh.
There you go. Is this one a dark or a light? Is this one dark? Does this one go with this one?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? We'll move it over there. Alright, one over to that one because that's a light blue and that's a light blue. She went over her name just before, so she's learning how to write her name slowly but surely. And there too. A-B-A.
And
Are they on the wrong ones?
here.
You
And you have to change them.
change them, baby.
And you change them.
I want you to show Mummy how you do it.
Oh.
Good job. What next?
Good. There. And
You're being tricky. You're moving in the wrong way.
now this one.
Yeah. That one does go there.
And what's this one? And these ones is a goodies one.
They're the same.
And these ones have to go to these
That's
ones.
right. We've got 2 dark greens, don't we?
Yeah.
And what's next? What colour's that? What colour was that? And then that one with that brown. Good job, monkey. Look at that.
Good.
So bye.
Bye.